What I can tell you is what we do, how we come in and help, what the outcomes are you can expect working with us, the value I think that we can create together. Hey, everybody. Great to be back with you today. I'm Shannyn Lee, the managing director at Win Without Pitching, and I want to help you through a question that I was working with a client on last week. That question is, how are you different than your competitors? Why should I hire you? When you get this question in the sale, the first thing that I want you to do is just take a deep breath and relax, and don't go into convince mode. This is not the moment in the sale where you should get on the defensive. There's a reason the client is asking this. What I want you to do in this moment is quickly in your mind, think about what's going on here that is causing that client to ask this. Do I need to provide additional information through the lens of a case study, for example, about the value we create for clients, the outcomes that they can expect? Maybe they just don't know enough about you yet, and you need to pause and do some more educating. What I don't want you to do is speak negatively about your competitors. I don't think we know enough about our competitors, and we shouldn't be speaking on their behalf anyway. I don't want you to run through a list of all the things you can do and the capabilities that you have. I want you to keep it grounded in what is going on for that client in that moment. And your response may be, you know what, I'm not going to speak to my competitors or what they do or how they're different from us. I don't really know because I don't work within that firm. What I can tell you is what we do, how we come in and help, what the outcomes are you can expect working with us, the value I think that we can create together. And I'm not even sure yet we should work together. That is something we are exploring together. I acknowledge for you, this is a big change you're about to make. It's a big investment in time and resources and money. And we need to make sure that we both feel certain that we're a good fit. So let me share some examples with you about how we've helped other clients with similar challenges to yours. This is the frame of mind that you want to be in when you get these kinds of questions. It's hard in the moment to remember to take a breath and relax and not go into convince mode. So if you prepare a bit before your next sales conversation and think about all of the reasons why you think your firm can add value to the clients that are talking to you, that might be a helpful exercise to go through. It might be helpful to have some case studies at the ready that you can walk that client through. And I don't mean a portfolio review. What I mean is a case study framed around the process you use to uncover things and provide strategy and outcomes, right? Like tell the story of the value that you bring in those moments. So think about this for yourself. Think about the next time you get that question, how you might respond. Do some prep. Do not go into convince mode. And remember, you are also assessing if that client is a good fit for you. It's not just a one-way street where the client gets to select. You get to select too. Okay, everybody, I hope that was helpful. Have a great day. Send those questions my way. I'm at Shannyn at winwithoutpitching.com, SHANNYN at winwithoutpitching.com, and hope to hear from you. Cheers.